It's another day, another blessing, and it's another food discovery na naman po tayo. And since nag-crave nga tayo sa ramen and we found an affordable Japanese restaurant and flavorful dishes here in Mayflower, Greenfield, Mandaluyong. Super nice nga ng ambience nila dito. Mabait ang mga staff nila, plus they have an open kitchen that is so entertaining. I'm not fan of salad, but this is an exception, guys. The noodles is perfect with the salad. Kakaiba din ang dressings nito. For the appetizer, we order gyoza and siomai na super tender ang meat inside. And of course, for the main event, syempre ang kanilang kara miso, which is the signature spicy miso ramen, where you can choose the level of spicy for your ramen. How they prepare was giving so much detail sa talagang ma-enjoy mo. Ryoma Ramen House gives you not just an authentic Japanese food, but also a true Japanese restaurant vibe.